What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2007 Chevy 2500 built. This is, if you need work vans, that's how you got to do them. Built. Look, off-road tires, got 6.0, got a cam, injectors, everything. It's really built out the butt. I want to say it like that. So we'll let you guys hear what we did on it. Factory converter there, factory converter there. We have another video of this van too that had the MagnaFlow on it, but it was too quiet for him. So he brought it back 6 months later, and we just put a FLOWMASTER Super 40, part number 8525454. Give me a call. Anyways. Right there, as you guys can see, dual in, dual out, 2.5. Then we did 2.5 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. Okay, we added some hangers for reinforcement to give it a little bit more, and then it's got massive 5-inch tips out the side on each side, there and right there. Complete the look, and he's gonna come paint the shop for us, guys. So make sure you give him a shout out and say thank you. Anyways, there it is, right there. There's his number if you guys are in Nashville, if you ever need any painting done. He's the best in the business, all right? So give him a shout out. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And here's the MagnaFlow, guys, we cut off right there, the dual in, dual out. Oh, so much better. You can hear the cam. It sounds so much better. Here's sound decibels. 108. Let it idle. You can hear the cabin. Look. Oh, it sounds so good. Rev it again. So much better. Guys here, so it's cold. That sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Hear it now. That's the customer, by the way, guys. See, all work trucks need to sound like this. Don't you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. That sounds so good.